Hello viewers, today I am going to show you how to take a scrolling screenshot. Use Awesome Screenshot. First open your browser, then open your article, then click on Awesome Screenshot icon, then click on full page. Do not scroll or move your mouse pointer while capturing the screenshot. Now you can see my full page screenshot is here. Now we can check the full page is taken successfully. Now you can click on copy, then copy to clipboard. Now you can send on Facebook Messenger or whatever you want, then click on done. Now here is a more option. Now you can download this file as your local computer, or you can upload to get a shareable link.